Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a cute stationery item that I found here in Japan. Japan has awesome stationery goods, all things from papers, notebooks, especially pens and pencils and erasers. Just such a high quality, so much better than anything in the States. You just don't even want to, I don't want to slam the stuff in the States, but it's pretty hard to find stuff there that it can rival the quality of what you find in Japan for the price. And it's just everywhere here. Everything in here is well made, and from cheap things at Daiso to more expensive things too. So I know we do have beautiful stationery goods stores in America, but you know, your normal stuff that everybody uses every day is kind of not so great. So here, everything everybody uses is great. So that makes it nice. And there's always some unique thing that you didn't think you ever needed, and then you realize when you get it, you're like, oh my God, I wish I had this every day of my life. Why didn't I have this before? And one of the things we have a lot of are these sticky notes, which are called fusen in Japan. And they're just everywhere. Everybody loves putting these on everything. So many different versions of why you'd have them, different sizes, different shapes. And this one caught my eye because I just thought it looked really cute in this little, like, thin little collection, and with this funny little design on the top. And it's made by a company called MARUAI. And it's made in Japan, and I happened to buy it on sale, so it was only 200 yen. I think usually it was probably about 4, maybe more than that. And this has 30 sheets of these little stickies in it. Now I'm going to open it up and kind of get an idea, because I'm not even really sure exactly what it is. But it's just a sticky note that's this wonderful size, and it has a border for you to be able to kind of create your own sort of like title here or something. So if you're creating like a special note on the top of a letter or something, you can add that at the top, and it's just like its own cute little way of kind of sharing that. And every page is you know, the same. Here we have these little polka dotted designs. That's just the way they all look, and they work great, you know, on here as you know, really nice, good quality sticky paper. And the other side's got that nice wax sort of feel to it, so it really makes for a really great sticky. Now the actual glue section's about just to this area here that you can kind of see bent up. The rest of it has nothing on it, of course, so it makes for a really nice piece. Now a lot of times when you get the better quality sticky notes, then you're dealing with ones that have a really good quality ink that glue that won't, you know, tear at your papers and stuff like that. So that's a nice insurance policy for stuff. And it just looks so cute. I think you can, you know, find so many fun ways to use this, and the actual notepad itself just looks so adorable. You'd want to have it on your desk or in your bag. So one little thing I have to share with you guys: you could lose yourself in the stationery section of the stores in Japan. So if you think you're going to be visiting, you have to make sure you spend time there. Also, of course, spend time at the 100 yen stores too, because it's a great place to get things for a little less money. But like I've done, checking places when they have sales and stuff can be a good thing too. So keep that in mind for sure, you guys. I have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.